Hari Om. This video is for the second language Sanskrit students who study in the 9th standard. And today you are going to learn Vyakaranam. In the Vyakaranam you are going to learn Sandhihi. Sandhihi. What is Sandhihi means? When we join two words together, the lateral changes happens, that is called Sandhihi. And the changes can happen three types. That's why the sandhis are three types. Okay, there are three types of sandhi. Okay, when we joining two words together, if changes happen in swar, in vowels, then it is called swara sandhi. And the same thing when changes happen in consonants means vyanjan means it is vyanjana sandhi, and it is changes happen in visarga means that is called visarga sandhi. In these three sandhi means swara sandhi, vyanjana sandhi, visarga sandhi. Here we going to see detailedly swara sandhi. And swara sandhi there are totally 8 in numbers, but we going to see detailedly only 5 because of 9th standard portion there are 5 only. Okay, so swara sandhi has these 8 types. It's a Dirgha Sandhihi, Guna Sandhihi, Vriddhi Sandhihi, Yana Sandhihi, Ayadi Sandhihi, Pururup Sandhihi, Prakriti Bhavaha and Pararupa Sandhihi. In Swara Sandhihi, first one Dirgha Sandhihi. It has another name, it's a Savarna Dirgha. Okay, it has a 4 combination. Okay, Dirgha means long form. So this Sandhi gives the long form while we put words, with two words we put together, so that's why it is called Dirgha Sandhi. Okay, and it has a 4 combination. Okay, in between in between e, in between o, and in between r. Okay, it gives the long form a, e, u, r. Okay, so here given example Surya plus Astah. The first word is end with a, and second word begin with a, then become a, so Suryastaha. The same way Hima plus Alayah, Himalayah. Vidya plus Arti, Vidyarti. Vidya plus Alayah, Vidyalayah. So this is a combination, a or a combination. So finally the answer comes the a means the long form. So that's why it is Dirgha Sandhi comes under. Okay, the same way in between e also Hari plus Icha, Haricha, Prati plus Iksha, Pratiksha, Nadi plus Iyam, Nadiyam, Rajani plus Isha, Rajanisha. So 2 combination over. Now we'll move on to the 3rd and 4th combination in the next slide. Now we will see the O combination. Okay. Guru plus Upadeshaha, Guru Padeshaha, Sindhu plus Urmihi, Sindurmihi, Vadu plus Utsavaha, Vadutsavaha, Bhu plus Urja, Bhurja. So it is a U combination. Okay, in between U, change into finally U. Okay, it change into Dirgha form. Now, the 4th combination only has the only one. So either end with the R or begin with the R. Okay, so then gives a long form R. For example, Matru plus Runam. In that last first word end with the R and the second word begin with the R. So long form become R. So Matrunam. Okay, so these 4 combination comes under the Dirgha Sandhihi. Okay, it has another name Savarna Dirgha. Why Savarna Dirgha? Because of same sounding, say Savarnaha. Similar letters comes where beginning and end with and beginning with the, that's why it is called a Savarna Dirgha. Okay, it is a short and long only the difference. That's why it is called a Savarna Dirgha. Now we'll move on to the another Sandhi. Next Sandhi name is called Guna Sandhi. It has only 3 combination. Okay, the word can end with either a or a. It means before plus it can be a or a only, short a or long a. The after plus the second word can begin with e or o or r. If the second word is begin with e or e, it will be changed to a. If the second word is begin with U or U, it's going to be changed into O. If the second word is begin with R, then it will change into R. Okay. Now we will see the some example. Deva plus Indraha. Devala, the word end with A, and the second word begin with E. A plus E equal to A. So okay, so A, when it is we putting in the word, so it become Devendra. So same way Sura plus Ishaha, Sureshaha, Maha plus Indraha, Mahendraha, Maha plus Ishaha, Maheshaha. Okay, so this is a one combination. And next combination, the same, so before plus it should be A or A only. The right side U or U comes, it change into the O. For example, para plus upakaraha, the word parala, the end with A, the second word start with U, so A plus U change into O. So para plus upakaraha, paropakaraha. The same is Surya plus Urja, Suryorja, Ganga plus Udakam, Gangodakam, Maha plus Urmihi, Mahormihi. So everything change into O. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, left side means the before plus A or A came, right side A or A cannot come. Cannot come in the sense, in the Guna Sandhila cannot come. If it comes, it will not remain as a Guna Sandhi, it will become Dirgha Sandhi. So that's why the rules will not cross each other at all. So easily you can keep in mind. Okay. Now we will move on to the third combination. The word can end with A or A, and the second word can begin with R, then become R. Okay, for example, Sapta plus Rishihi. So Saptala, the word end with A, and Rishila, the word start with R. So change into R. So when we put together, it becomes Saptarshihi. So the another combination, Maha plus Rishihi, the word end with A and the word start with R, then also R, so Maharshihi. Okay. So with that, Gunasandhi gets over here, only three combination. But one thing I want to clarify you all here. So left side A or A, the right side is E or E, U or U and R. If you see the letters, the vowels are coming continuously. A, E, U, U, R. Okay, so that way easy manner you can keep in mind. Okay, so it will not confuse at all. So you remember the order, then you can easily, you will not forget. You try to forget also, you will not forget. Now we'll move on to the next Sandhi. In Swara Sandhi, next is Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay, this has only two combination. But one thing I want to clarify here, Guna Sandhila we saw that the letters are coming continuously in the Swara letters and all. Like left side, then right side, E, U, R. Then in continuation that R you leave it, L also leave it. Then A, I, O, Au. So those four letter only Vriddhi Sandhi rule here. So now see the Vriddhi Sandhi. Left side the word can end with A or A, same as a Guna Sandhi only. The right side A or I comes, it change into I. If one more combination is the left side same A or A only, right side is O or Au comes, it should change into Au only. Okay, now we see some example. Adya plus Eva, the first word end with A, the second word begin with A. So A plus A become I, so Adyeva. Okay, Deva plus Aishwaryam, Devaishwaryam, another example. So like that we see some more example. Tatha plus Eva, Tathaiva. Vidya plus Aishwaryam, Vidyaishwaryam. Okay, so this is the one part. Another part, so the Bimba plus Oshtha. So in that Bimba word end with A and the word begin with the O. So finally they put together Au. So Bimbaushtaha. So the remaining examples are tava plus audharyam, tava audharyam, maha plus oshadhihi, mahaushadhihi, tada plus auchityam, tadauchityam. This is the au combination. So with that vriddhi sandhi ends. So one more time I will tell you, guna sandhi and vriddhi sandhi like a continuity sandhi. How left side is a only for both. The right side e comes change into a, u comes change into o, r comes change into r is a guna sandhi. ai comes change into I, au comes change into au is comes under vriddhi sandhi. So that's why it is, you see, all the swara continuously coming. So easy manner to keep in mind. Okay, now we'll move on to the next sandhi. Now fourth sandhi is the yana sandhi. Now guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, we saw that left side it can, the words can end with a or a. Now in this left side can end with the e or o or r. Okay, but what is it? This right side is asamana swara or bhinna swara. What is asamana swara or bhinna swara in the sense? Okay, if the left side is e or e comes, the right side e other than e, any other swaraha can come, any other vowels can come. It's called dissimilar vowel. Okay, if left side is o or o comes, the right side o or o cannot come. That is called asmana swaraha or bhinna swaraha. So other than o or o, it can come. That is called dissimilar vowel. If the left side is r comes, the right side the word cannot come r. So that is called asmana swaraha. Other than the r, any other vowel can come. Okay, it's so we can say asmana swaraha or bhinna swaraha is dissimilar vowels, other than the which left side being present, other than the same sounding, that other can come, other vowels can come. Okay, so that is the speciality of the yana sandhi. Okay, if it comes means what happens? Now what happens, right side whatever comes, no, you have to keep constantly as it is. You should not remove at all. Okay, left side the e or u and r, this will be removed and will be brought some other letter. That what letter will be brought? Instead of e, we have to bring off here e. Instead of o, we have to bring off iv, and instead of r, we have to bring ir, off ra. Okay, we will see some example here with the first combination, the e combination. Okay, yadi plus api. So the first word end with the e. Okay, the second word begin with the a. Now see, left side e came, right side other than e, any other vowel can come. Okay, now what happens, the second word nudiya a we keeping, we not removing at all. Previous sandhila dirgha sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, the first word end with the second word begin with the, both we have to remove, and we are bringing the new letters. But here we remove the left side letter, one single letter, and bringing half ya or half va and half ra. So we remove the e, yadila half e removed, yad it become, we brought ya. So yadyapi it becomes. Okay, when we put together it becomes yadyapi. So another combination in the same thing, devi plus uvacha, devyuvacha. Now see, left side e, right side other than e, it came u. Okay, it can be any other vowel. One more thing, what is that? So left side keep changing, right side dissimilar vowel. So that is very important. Okay, now we will move on to the another combination. Now next combination yana sandhi, u or u. Okay, anu plus arthaha. So first word end with u, and the second word begin with the other than u. Okay, so instead of u, we bringing off va, and we keeping a as it is. The arthahala, whatever the a is there, we have to keep it as it is. So when we remove the anula u, then it become an, a and afna. Okay, so we attach va, anva, and afvala arthanudiya a attaching. So anva, then remaining irtaha, anvartaha. Okay. Another example, vadu plus adeshaha, vadvadeshaha. The adeshala remaining as it is. The vadula u removing and bringing half. That's why the dha become half vadvadeshaha. Okay. Now last combination, the word can end with a r and a dissimilar. So pitru plus agnya, the word end with a r and the word next begin with other than r, dissimilar vowel, the a came. So what happens when we removed r from the ta, it become after it. So we brought ir, so it and ir become tra, and the next letter begin with the a, so that matra we have to put in the tra, la, tra, so pitragnya. Okay, so this is called yanasandhi. And one more thing, the left side e came, left side u came, left side r came, right side when e came, right side e cannot come. It comes means it become a dirgha sandhi. The left side u came, right side u cannot come. If comes means then it become a that dirgha sandhi only. It not remain as an yana sandhi. The same way left side r came, right side r cannot come. That's why it is asamana swaraha or binna swaraha. They asking if it comes, it become another sandhi. It's called dirgha sandhi. So easily you can keep in mind this way. Okay, so we will move on to the fifth sandhi now. Ayadi sandhi. This also like a yana sandhi only. In the yana sandhi, left side e u and r came, then r and l is not coming anywhere else. Now a I o au. Okay, the word which comes in the first, it can end with a or I or o or au. Okay, the after plus means the second word can what can begin with any vowel. It's not any limited at all. It can be any vowels. Okay, I, e, u, r, a, I, o, au, it can come anything. Okay, can it's not begin with that, so that is not considered here. Okay, kopi swaraha, any vowel can come. Then what happens? Okay, so right side the any vowels comes, no, we have to keep constantly, we should not remove. And the left side a comes, we have to remove that a, and we have to bring I and of ya, and we have to remove. If I comes, we have to change into I. If o comes, we have to change into av. If au comes, we have to change into av. Okay, instead of the a, I, o, au, I, au should do it. We have to bring it. We have to change it. For example, ne plus anam. Okay, ne, the word end with the a, and the next any vowel the limitation is given. So a came, anam. So we have to keep the anam la as it is. We should not remove it. We should not do the lopaha there. And we have to remove only a in the na, ne, and it become afna, and we have to bring I, a and e. So when we put together, it become nayanam. So another combination is nai plus akaha, nayakaha. We brought I here over. And po plus anaha, pavanaha. We brought av here over. Pau plus akaha, pavakaha. We brought it here, av. So one more thing I want to tell here. This Sunday happens within a word. Okay, what is that? When we join together, then only the word comes. Okay, so when we split, that is meaningless letters will be there. Name is nothing else, Anam also nothing else. Okay, so when we put together, then only it become Nayanam. Okay, the word how it is constructed, the rule is one. Okay, this way only they made it. Okay, so Ayadi Sandhihi ends here. So Swara Sandhila, these five only for the ninth standard. दीर्घ संधि गुण संधि वृद्धि संधि यण संधि हयादि संधि. I hope you all understood the sandhi. Okay, thank you and hari om. धन्यवादः.